Claude's managed agents are for idiots. But that was what I thought before I actually set them up for myself. I have 4 autonomous Claude agents running in the cloud 24/7. And the craziest part is that they took me under 30 minutes to build. The first one we're looking at is for my content report. I took the old N8N workflow that I had and turned it into a Claude agent. It references over 27 sources and feeds me a full report inside of my Slack every week. Now, we know that's nothing special, but the top 3 that we're looking at here are for my agency. One of them monitors my client results, the other monitors the conversations I'm having with my prospects and auto creates proposals for me, and this one up top creates an intel report to me fed directly to my Slack for every new lead that comes in. So now that I have your attention, here's how this video is going to go down. We'll talk about how Claude's managed agents stack up against OpenClaw, local Claude Code, and N8N. Then I'll briefly show you how you can install this for yourself and build your own agents. And if you want access to the custom agents that I'm building for my business, you can gain access to those templates by joining my school. It's the first link in the description below. So first off, you can run your managed agents using Claude Sonnet or Opus 4.7. And you can chat with Claude and basically ask it which model would be right for whatever task you're setting up the agent to do. And these managed agents live on Claude's server, so your computer doesn't need to be on, you don't need a VPS, and you definitely don't need a Mac Mini for this. RIP OpenClaw, but I digress. We get to customize the type of prompt we want, the type of model like I mentioned, the tool set, MCPs, APIs. The environment is set up for us in Claude servers. And the biggest reason I would say this craps on N8N and OpenClaw is because we don't need any machine to stay on 24/7. Everything that we build can be placed inside of the GitHub repo for the application or website or anything that you're building for your business. And cron just basically means that they can be triggered at any time or schedule that you have set up for the agent. With local Claude, you need to be active in front of your terminal or your desktop app in order to use Claude Code. And of course, we have access to things like Claude channels and Claude Remote, but these agents require close to no setup, and they can be set up directly from Claude Code itself. And we're getting access to a sandbox, so all of our security is caked in. It doesn't have the freedom to autonomously search your computer and do whatever it wants to do. Whereas OpenClaw, you don't know what you're going to get sometimes. And it's not super user-friendly. And for example, with N8N, in order to build our workflows, even the simplest ones, you either need the N8N MCP to build with Claude Code, or you need to come in and manage it yourself to build. But you still need to manage the individual nodes, plug in the webhook URLs, connect your integrated accounts. It could be a real pain sometimes. And it's an additional platform you need to log into with an extra subscription. And the easiest way that I could put it is managed agents are how we turn Claude Code's brilliance into a product that we can charge a retainer for, sell, or hand off. And each and every one of these agents I can build directly through Claude Code. No MCP, no crazy setup. This is already all wired together. And with a local Claude Code setup or OpenClaw, it's one user at a time. Your whole team has access to these agents that you build and can be activated or invoked at any moment by anybody on your team. I'm not going to bore you with details, but I was supremely surprised and impressed with how easy it was to set them up, how quickly they can actually work without crazy troubleshooting, and the fact that I don't even need to build them on this platform itself. So to be clear, before I show you some of the sauce of how to install it and make your life easier, let's just come full circle. Managed agents run autonomously without any open machine. They run in a sandbox without any worry of them touching your personal files and information. They only have access to what you give them. Your entire team has access to them very easily, and it's very easy to set them up and sell this as a service. And before I show you guys how to set this up for yourself, if you guys have any questions or a lack of clarity on what I'm talking about here, just drop a comment below or join the school, drop a post. We could discuss it, but what we're looking at here are the 4 managed agents that I built within my local Claude setup before I actually sent them to the Claude console itself. What I'm alluding to is there's a hard way to build these, then there's an easy way to build them. The hard way is building them directly from the console itself. And the reason I say that is because now you're describing the agents, you have to configure them manually, and this part of Claude doesn't have access to your local files yet. So I'm not even going to dive into how to do it on the console itself. Each one of these agents that you see here on the right were built with proper context from my workspace, with my brand context, my admin files, every single asset that already describes how I work within my local Claude setup. All I had to do was install the CLI tool and create and scaffold out the agent folder. So if you guys want access to these commands, you can screenshot them, use them yourself. And all I had to do was describe the agents that I wanted to create first here. And it took every part of my context within my workspace. And then we described the workflows that I already had set up and just sent them over to the console using this CLI tool. So just take this command, put it in a raw terminal, find your Anthropic API key on console.claude.com. That's the only time you need to be on the console, is finding your API key. It's very simple. If you guys want a breakdown on how to do that, just join the school. Once you have this installed, you just run this, or tell Claude once it's installed, I want to scaffold a new agent folder. And now I can reference any one of these folders. I just plug it in here and I could just do voice to text and say, hey, I want to build an agent from the context of X, Y, and Z files inside of this folder. And I suggest building one agent at a time. Find your current problems, or find a market validated problem in the market and choose to build that agent first. I suggest building something for yourself. So build the first agent. I would personally make sure that it's one of the highest levers that you can pull, meaning it's going to bear the most fruit, save you the most time, and make you the most money. Describe the workflow that you have in mind and tell it to build it here, and then push it to the console. That's exactly what I did with this workflow here. And it created the prompt. It already knew the sources I wanted, and that was it. And this particular workflow is going to give me my content report every single week. Now think about how much simpler this is versus setting up an N8N workflow, or even using the N8N MCP server with Claude Code to build your workflows. Not even mentioning the complexities of using OpenClaw. You're using your own device, you need money for a VPS, you got to jump through all these hoops, versus just using Claude's managed agents, talking with your local Claude Code setup, building your files, scaffolding how you work in general, and then just splicing the different parts of your workspace that you want to turn into agents using the CLI tool. And now you have a full-blown agent that works 24/7 for you. Yes, I'm excited and I am passionate about these new tools because they open up so many new opportunities for people who would otherwise have no idea how to do this stuff. So if you found this video useful, please like the video and consider subscribing with notifications turned on, because I put out 1 to 2 videos like this every single week about agentic workflows, where I discuss all things Claude Code and AI automation with other business owners. And last but not least, if you do decide to join my school, I do have a premium section with templated agents, workflows, and expedited guides that'll be able to help you set up your local Claude Code so that you can build websites, applications, custom agents, whatever it is you need, I got you. Right now, I have a complimentary free one-on-one call if you become a premium member today, and we host live weekly technical calls for every one of our premium members. So if that excites you, consider upgrading. Otherwise, there are a lot of other free assets inside the community for you, and over 3,100 members that you can connect with today. So call 1-800-CLAUDE, join the school, I'll see you on the inside, and I hope to see you on the next one.